Johanna Duggar rushed to hospital. Family and fans hold their breath. The Duggar family, long admired for their steadfast commitment to family, faith, and community, has recently faced a heart-stopping moment that has captured the attention of fans worldwide. Johanna Duggar, the beloved youngest member of the family, was suddenly rushed to the hospital, sending shockwaves through the Duggar household and sparking a wave of concern, prayers, and emotional support from fans around the globe. This is not a story of controversy, but of human vulnerability, unwavering love, and the extraordinary power of unity in the face of unexpected crisis. According to insiders, the incident began earlier in the day when Johanna's parents noticed subtle changes in her demeanor. At first, it was small things, an insider shared. She seemed tired, withdrawn, and unusually quiet. Her parents sensed that something was off immediately and decided to take action without delay. This vigilance and swift response exemplified the Duggar family's enduring commitment to looking after one another, particularly in moments of uncertainty. Upon arrival at the hospital, Johanna was met by a team of medical professionals who quickly began assessing her condition. The atmosphere in the hospital was charged with tension and concern, yet it was tempered by the loving presence of her parents and siblings. Family members offered comfort, holding her hand, whispering words of encouragement, and ensuring that she felt safe and secure amidst the clinical environment. Nurses noted that their presence significantly reduced Johanna's anxiety, demonstrating the profound impact of familial love in medical settings. Even the smallest gestures carried immense weight. Older siblings engaged Johanna with quiet conversation, favorite stories, and gentle play, creating moments of distraction and comfort. One sibling was observed softly reading a picture book aloud, while another held her hand through routine tests. These seemingly simple acts were far from ordinary. They were essential in maintaining her emotional well-being, reinforcing the family's values of empathy, care, and togetherness. Meanwhile, fans reacted almost instantly. Social media platforms flooded with messages of concern, prayers, and hope. Tweets, Instagram posts, and Facebook updates poured in, with phrases like, "Stay strong, Johanna," sending prayers for you and your family, and we are all holding our hearts with your family right now. Dedicated fan communities organized virtual prayer chains, shared inspirational posts, and even created digital tributes, showing solidarity and emotional connection that transcended geographic boundaries. Minute-by-minute hospital updates kept fans engaged and emotionally invested. Every heartbeat reading, medical test, and doctor consultation became a point of shared concern. Observers noted that the family's transparency in small updates, paired with the emotional context, created a communal experience where fans felt intimately connected to Johanna's journey. Each small positive change was celebrated collectively, and every moment of tension prompted widespread empathy and support. Behind the scenes, family dialogues highlighted the emotional depth of the situation. Parents were frequently observed whispering reassurances to each other and to Johanna. "We're here, sweetie. Nothing will happen while we are with you," her mother whispered, while her father added, "You are stronger than you know, and we will face this together." These quiet exchanges, intimate and tender, underscored the power of presence and verbal reassurance in moments of fear and uncertainty. Sibling interactions were equally poignant. Older children carefully balanced their own concern with acts of comfort and distraction. They gently guided Johanna through unfamiliar procedures, shared quiet jokes, and created spaces of safety and normalcy. Observers described these interactions as heartwarming and essential, noting that the siblings' involvement contributed profoundly to Johanna's emotional stability and sense of security. Hospital staff corroborated the positive effect of family presence. Johanna responds remarkably well when her family is close, one nurse shared. Their calm, loving involvement reduces stress and fosters healing in ways that medical care alone cannot achieve. The combination of attentive family care and professional medical oversight exemplified a holistic approach, emphasizing that emotional support is as critical as clinical intervention in moments of health crisis. Fans were deeply engaged in real time as well. Live streams, trending posts, and virtual vigils reflected the global emotional investment. Many followers shared prayers, encouraging messages, and small digital gestures of support, while others posted illustrations, quotes, and videos celebrating Johanna's bravery. The collective emotional energy generated by fans mirrored the concern and care of the Duggar family, creating a sense of shared experience and solidarity. Even ordinary hospital routines became emotionally significant. Simple acts, holding a hand during an IV, offering favorite snacks, or reading a bedtime story, were imbued with extraordinary meaning. Observers highlighted that these small moments of comfort not only eased Johanna's anxiety, but also reinforced the family's deep sense of unity, care, and emotional attentiveness. Real-time updates revealed both highs and lows. Minor improvements in Johanna's condition brought relief and smiles, while adjustments in care or new tests prompted renewed concern. Each fluctuation was met with composed determination by her parents and siblings, who maintained a balance of emotional support and calm reassurance. Fans responded in tandem, celebrating good news and sending virtual prayers and comforting messages during more challenging moments. Subtle family dialogues further emphasized resilience. Parents were observed discussing treatment options quietly, offering comfort to siblings, and coordinating with medical staff with calm precision. "It's going to be okay, everyone. We will navigate this together," one parent said, capturing the tone of careful optimism that permeated the household. Such dialogues, though private, highlight the emotional scaffolding that supports both Johanna and her family during this crisis. Medical updates confirmed that Johanna was stable, though under continuous observation. Each improvement, no matter how small, was a milestone celebrated quietly by the family and fervently by fans. Tears of relief, soft smiles, and whispered words of gratitude punctuated moments of progress, while moments of challenge reinforced the family's unwavering vigilance and care. Experts in family and child care underscored the significance of this combined approach. They note that emotional presence from parents and siblings, coupled with professional medical attention, is crucial for both physical recovery and psychological well-being. Johanna's journey exemplifies the effectiveness of a holistic care model where love, presence, and attentive guidance are inseparable from clinical interventions. Throughout this period, Johanna's bravery has been remarkable. Despite fear and discomfort, she faced each challenge with courage, bolstered by her family's unshakable support. Every quiet laugh, every reassuring touch, and every small milestone served as a testament to the resilience nurtured by familial love. The global fan community played an active and supportive role throughout the ordeal. Social media feeds reflected live reactions, celebratory posts for minor improvements, and collective prayers during tense moments. Creative tributes, artwork, and personal messages illustrated the deep connection between the Duggar family and their worldwide audience, creating a shared emotional journey where fans felt intimately involved in Johanna's recovery. In conclusion, Johanna Duggar's hospitalization is a story of resilience, love, and the profound power of family and community support. Every hospital visit, sibling interaction, and fan message contributes to a narrative that is both intimate and universally relatable. The dedication of her parents, the nurturing care of siblings, and the heartfelt engagement of fans combine to form a tapestry of hope, courage, and compassion. As the situation continues to unfold, every small triumph, whether a restful sleep, a successful procedure, or a moment of comfort, becomes a shared victory. Johanna Duggar's experience is a powerful reminder that love, unity, and support can illuminate even the most challenging moments, creating strength, hope, and healing in the face of uncertainty. Thanks for watching.